I just came back from school. I know my hair looks messy. Who cares? But I got some of these at 7-15, 7-11, which is 7-Eleven. And I have these Jolly Rancher Chews. These are thank you Crunch Bites for sponsoring me with this. Yeah. And these are freeze-dried Skittles. And I got some Valentine's Day things. And some Valentine's Day things on in school. That's what I meant. But yeah, how do I get this take off? Never mind. I don't want to get the. Oh. Got it off. I'll put it on and look at my dog that I made. With hearts, by the way. Only hearts.
Hello.
First, I'm gonna try these fried. I'm gonna be off camera since I'm gonna go. I'm gonna drink medicine. So turn around. Look at the thing. I think look at it. Không phải VDAY. Valentine. Ba con vẽ kia chó đẹp không? Ba. Cái này nè.
Đẹp.
Yêu.
Làm 2 tiếng rưỡi rồi, xong rồi.
It's so gross.
Đâu anh đổ nước luôn.
Ba nước. Đổ.
Không có ném anh.
Open this bottle because.
Đổ nước vô đầy rồi anh về anh đổ nửa bình nước đó vô đầy. Không, bây giờ nó rút xuống hết trơn rồi. Rồi làm 2 tiếng mấy nó rút xuống hết trơn. Uống nước nhiều vô cho ba nghe chưa? Nghe chưa? Uống hết cái ly đó cho ba đó. Mở bát mặt ra kìa. Mở bát mặt.
I wanna wear it. Rồi. Con làm gì mà?
Em nói gì? Con nói gì?
Con làm gì mà?
Bà biết rồi. Uống nước chứ. Con này thiệt tình đó. Con mà không uống thuốc là coi như là nó bị infection đó, thấy chưa? Bị infection á, infection là coi như là hết chữa được đó. Là phải đi cắt á, cắt đứt á. Nói trước tôi biết rồi đó. Phải uống nước vô, có nghe bác sĩ nói không?
Có.
Ok, uống vô. Uống vô đi. Rồi ăn cái gì là ra nói ba nghe chưa? Uống hết vô rồi.
Ra nhau.
Hả?
Cara nào.
Cara này nè.
Okay.
Con uống hết cái đó rồi bắt đầu uống nước. Uống nước hết rồi bắt đầu là bỏ cái cây đó vô trong cái ca cho ba. Để ba coi.
Làm vậy hả?
Không có làm vậy, cứ bỏ thẳng vô đó cho ba chứ không có làm gì hết. No, uống đi.
Dạ.
Không được đổ mà chưa?
No, không phải đổ mà khi nào mà uống hết cái này là bỏ xuống rồi.
Ok,
hả?
ok, uống đi.
Ba vậy hả?
Vâng.
Ok. Okay, now my dad said to do this. Get a cup with water inside and put this in there. But you have to wash it first so it doesn't get like medicine. At least it's not the red medicine. Like the clear one. It tastes like the medicine. Okay, I'm gonna get a little bit. Wait, hold on. Actually, no, I'm gonna get a lot of water. And I'm gonna shoot it at my battery. I'm having too much fun. I was sucking on it. I'm having too much fun with this. 3, 2, 1. Look, I'll do it with no hands this time, but I have to hold it, okay? It's getting all over my pants. Hair? That's so fun. Anyways, let's get on with this. I'm so tempted to try it. ASMR, by the way. I can't. This is foil? Is this foil? How do I? Can someone help me? Well, that's all I can. I can't open this side either. Oh, never mind. I'm scared. I'm really tempted to eat it though. Because I love Skittles. I saw one with chamoy and tahini, but I didn't get it because I don't like It smells so good. This is what it looks like. No, I'm not getting that. How do I do this? How do I get one by one, bro? I need to get one by one. Okay, it looks like this. It looks good though. 3, 2, 3, 2, 1. That's sour, but it's really good. Okay, let's close that one up. I went to 7. Guys, if you want this, go to the 7-Eleven. Definitely. Next to the urgent care, you go straight. Go like here. Then go there. There. Then go to... So, urgent care is all the way over here. Then go over here. Then park. And then go inside the station. Or you can go to any 7-Eleven store if it's there. And this is going to be the best one yet. I was holding the wrong one. Guys, both of these are from 7-Eleven. So, but not the candy that, these are so good. Thank you, Crunchbite.com. Guys, if you want those, you can either go to 7-Eleven, or if your parents, or you don't want to because you're too lazy, you can go to Safari or any browser and type www.crunchbites.com. I love that. How do you open it? Last time I did this in the micro, I unwrapped this, but like not this chew thing. I unwrapped this, I unwrapped one of these, and I put it in a bowl, and then I melted it, and then I melted it for 30 more seconds, and then it burned. Now it's stuck inside the bowl. But my dad didn't get mad at me. I think my mom did though. So that's a bummer. We're going to be trying only one flavor because we gotta save it for our tummy. Let be a cinder, like a river, shut your mouth and run me like a river. It looks so beautiful, guys. It looks just like the color. 3, 2, 1. I can't bite it. What is this? I can't bite it. It's really good though. How do they make it? Nutrition facts. Serving is 1. Serve size 1. Calories 220. Total fat 3 grams. If you suck on it for like a long time, then you can chew it. So it's not that bad after all. I definitely need to throw these away. But before we do, we're gonna try more of this color tomorrow. I might not be available today that much because I have to do something, and it's really important. So, yeah. I rate these. I'm gonna be rating stuff though. I rate these a solid 6. I'll give these a 2.6. No, 2.5. Sorry about that. 2.5, not that bad, but it's really sad though, because it has like power on it too. Calories 280. Dang. I need to drink more of this, bro. Yeah. It's already blue? How? And just like choose. You want to see it shoot in my mouth? I hate today. I'm really messy today. I'm making bad choices today. Oh my gosh, look. Now there's holes in my pants too. Are you... I hate, bro. I hate this. I hate this, bro. I hate this so much. You want to see it? Shoot it in my mouth, though. It's not gonna be a fail. I wonder if we can put like other drinks in here. But before this, I'm gonna drink like a few more sips of this, then I'll move on to the next bag. No more water today. Okay, let's move on to the bag. I'm gonna pick one of each, closing my eyes, and let's see. But I have to look at them. Ew, lollipop! I hate lollipops. What kind of thing? This is from my teacher. This is literally from my teacher. Oh, I love Dum-Dums. Why is it stuck to this? I love these chocolates. Oh, these little mazes too. Why is there hair on it though? That's my question. Ew. Whose hair is this? Peach mango. I love that flavor. I love that flavor. Thank you from Shaylee. Thank you, Shaylee. Whose is this? Ew. No, I'm not touching that. Jeremy. A fun dip. That's all you could do. What is this? You are my friend forever. Who is this from anyway? Spider-Man in the back. Who? Another fun dip. Gummy bears. I have no idea who this is, but I'm not even going to close my eyes. I'm going to open this one. How do you... This might take a while. Let's dump it out and see who it's from, if it has a card. Get out! Dig and dips. I'm gonna heard of dipping stick vanilla dipping candy. Oh. Wait. It doesn't say who it's from. Oh, it's a sticker? Yes. Oh, I thought this was a bottle cap. And who's this from? Wanna hang out, Valentine? What? Whose is this? Who's this? Levi? I'm surprised Levi actually did this. A fuzzy sticker for you. Even though I'm not your friend, I'm still your friend. I'm not gonna try these. Sorry, Levi, but I don't like dipping dips. What are these though? These are my childhood, Levi. Thank you. I'll eat it later. Oh, I can't forget about the Spidey. There we go. I'll dump it into this bag. Actually, no, I'm going to put it right there. This is a part of trash. Whose is this from? Ew! That's Maria B. I bet this is yours, bruh. I don't like Twizzlers. Fun fact, I hate Twizzlers. Kit Kat. What? I already ate one when it was winter holiday thing, whatever. Who's this from? I picked the one from Jeremy. It fell. Was that our ant? Oh my god, I think that's a spider though. That belongs in trash. Actually, no, I'm gonna try it. It's right next to the fat. Okay, my scream is not adorable. To whoever that likes my scream. But yeah, I'm gonna try it later, I guess. Who's this from? From my teacher. This got taped. How do I open it? Everyone got this, right? I want to eat something. Wait, there's a mochi in here. Is this a puppet gadget? Something? I think it is. You're stellar. What does that mean? Stella is a name though, right? It's a name, bro. I'm gonna take it to here because like I don't want anyone to open it because it's all mine. And yeah. No, close it. It's not closing. Thank you. Oh wait, yeah, I forgot. It's right here. It's a mochi. A mochi. Miss Sunny, if you see this, thank you really much for this card. And this little mochi, it's so apple and this lollipop. I'm gonna put it in here for later. Because you know why? Because, and if you're seeing this, Miss Sony, tell the kids if I'm absent tomorrow. Tell the kids, I said thank you to them. Rice Krispie treats. Strawberries. Who is this from? I'll try it later, I guess. Oh, Elena. Elena, you said it was all yellow. There's a red one in here. Okay, what's this? Who's this from? To Audrey. Heart Pop. Dum Dum. Cherry lemon. Cherry passion. I'm allergic to cherries. I'm allergic to cherries. I want to see what's in here though. How do I rip this? Okay, there. Ah! Oh, I see something. Are you serious right now? Are you serious right now? Pineapple under the sea. SpongeBob SquarePants. How do you open it? There's a... I broke it. I broke it. Sorry, Audrey. I broke it. I hope you're not mad at me, but... Oh, and a sticker. Ew. It is. How do I can't get it out! Oh. From Audrey. I pine for you. Yeah, how about you get back? It fell. I have no idea what that fell. What fell? Whose hair is that? Yeah, I'll put it over here. I'll eat it later, as I said for the others. And yeah. I'm stuck. Okay, where is it? Where'd it go? I'll show it. I'm not gonna wear this. It's like, no. It's cold though. What is this? Jador. What's in here? Nothing. Is this fun? I'm gonna open it. Bro, does it even say who's this from? I'm hoping it doesn't. Cause yeah. Oh wait, I love these. Blue raspberry. It's already open, bro. What is this? Sorry, candy balls. Is it safe from who? No, there's not a card in here. I'll put it way back. Are these nerds? I have no idea what these are. I think it's grape flavor though. How do you open it? Like my milk? You open it? Oh. Ew. Why does it look like this? Oh, sorry. It went in my water, bruh. But why does it look like that? I do not recommend that. I'm gonna pour all these out. I do recommend this cute box though. I'm going to save these because I like mangoes. And let's see if it tastes good. Did someone lick this already? I swear they did. Wait, why did I put this back in here? Wait, who's this from? Oh yeah, Shaylee. Who's this from? Who's this from? Leo. Ooh, Oreos. I like Oreos, I think. I never tried them in a long time, so. Happiest day of my entire life. Ew. I'm gonna throw this away. Sorry to whoever gave me this. And yeah. Wait, who gave me this? Who gave me this? Doesn't say from who, so. Thank you, Elena. Thank you, Elena. Who's this from? Is this mint chocolate? I like chocolate. There's so much chocolate. Ooh, there's a stick. I have these. I can easily take it out. So, is there a lollipop in here? Oh yeah, I forgot. But I'm gonna open it. I'm going to open all of them. So stay tuned for the end. And like I'm wasting all my time just for you guys. So. I think I like these though, so I'm gonna put it over there. I have these. I know how it works. It's glowing purple now. I don't know if you guys can see. Let me turn off the light. But yeah. Look, I broke this part. See? See? Now it's purple, bro. See? It was pink, now it's purple. Look. Thank you to whoever gave me this, because it doesn't have a name. I don't think. Wait, where's the bag? Let me see if it has a name. I love these things. Ooh. Whatever these are, mint chocolates. Ooh, I think I've tried these before. Ooh, I know these. I'm going to put them in the freezer before they melt, so. I have a lot of chocolate in my fridge, so. Thank you to whoever gave me this. Oh my. No comment. Thank you, Jaden. Dum-dums. I love dum-dums. It got cut. But, thank you, Alex. Are you serious? Another one? It doesn't say to who. I think this is Jen's, bruh. And then this. That fell off the pineapple. Now it's time to try all of these. But first, we need to throw the trash away. Before we do that, though, we're going to put this back here. And we're going to open all of the other things. These need to get out of the way. Where? Jador, thank you. No, Shaylee, thank you. I'm allergic to peach, but I only the chocolate got stuck on it. Thank you, though. Thank you, Jeremy. Thank you, Jaden. Wait, is it Jaden? Yeah. Thank you, Leo. Thank you, Jaden. Thank you, that. Thank you, this. Thank you, restriction sheet from someone. Thank you, whoever this. Thank you, whoever this. I just licked. Thank you, Miss Sunny. How do you close it? Wait, actually, no, I'm gonna take all this stuff out, and I'm gonna keep this, cause like, you know. It was PE today. I didn't get to go. You know why? SpongeBob SquarePants. SpongeBob SquarePants. So cute though. Going there. Thank you, Miss Sunny. Thank you, Dad. I'm gonna put this in there. Same thing with this. It'll not fall out. Same thing with this. Same thing with this. Thank you, Levi. Same thing for this, Jenny. Thank you for this, Alex. Oh yeah, I totally forgot about this, Maria. I'm so sorry. Thank you for this. Thank you for this, Elena. And yeah, that's it. This is trash too. Actually, no, I'm gonna keep it. I'm gonna keep all the bags. I think I threw away one, but who cares? Let me open this. See? A pencil. And it's not even sharpened! Thank you. Maria. No, but literally. Here's a sticker for you, but there's not even the sticker here. What? Wait, what? She put her name backwards, bruh. Never mind, it's not. I love Sour Patch Kit. Watermelon. Wait. Oh, I love the watermelon kinds. Pencil. Maria B. I got another ring pop, bro. And it's another strawberry. Thank you for the strawberry. I think the sticker that just fell off. So, but I have so much Kit Kats. I mean, so much chocolate today. Oh yeah, this is the sticker. Thank you, Maria. And thank you for this. I'm gonna go put it in the freezer before it's yeah.
Before that, I'm going to eat these and throw in the trash as well, because like I love chocolate. Sorry. Boom. I think that's dead. The vision. Thanks for watching. Make sure to hit that like button, and subscribe and hit that notification bell. Peace out.